Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when your voice control is not working on your remote, on your Fire TV or Fire Stick. So if you hold this down and you start talking, you'll notice a blue bar on the bottom. And this will allow you to control your TV with the voice. Now, if this simply isn't working, what you want to do is repair your remote. So I'm going to go ahead and reset my remote and then repair it. So if I hold down the back button with the 3 lines on it, and then the left button, and I hold these down at the same time for about 13 seconds, on my screen it's going to scroll, and then it's eventually going to go to the home button, and my remote will now be reset. Then you want to hold down the home button, and hold this down for about 15 to 20 seconds to pair it back to your Fire Stick or Fire TV. And you'll notice on the top right, the light will start blinking green. Get closer to your TV or your Fire Stick, and then just simply reconnect it, and you might have to hold it down longer, or you might have to restart your TV. So go to the back of the TV or the Fire Stick and simply unplug it from the wall outlet. So I just unplug this, then after about 5 seconds, plug it back in and turn on your TV. So if the voice option still isn't working, go on over to where it says setting, then go down, go to controller and Bluetooth devices. Then select this and go to Alexa voice remotes. Go to add new remote. Now hold down the button with the 3 lines on it, and your remote should show up under this list after about 15 seconds. Okay, and it's showing up under this list now. Now select it and press OK on it, and it will be now paired. Then hold down the voice button, and you'll notice the blue bar on the bottom here is displaying and appearing. So that's how you can easily get that to work again on your remote. If this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Sex Tech.